Okay, the next thing to cold start, I have this Sthil MS170 Chain Saw. It's a small one, it's only a 14-inch bar. I absolutely love this saw. It's light, it's powerful, it's awesome. It'll even cut through fairly big stuff. The only one complaint I have about it is I wish it had a primer on it, because sometimes it takes several pulls to get the fuel system primed. But other than that, this is a great machine. I can't say anything bad about it other than the choke, or the primer rather. A little bit worn. Second chain. Alright, let's see what happens. Put the choke on full. Been sitting a while, and it's cold. There we go. Always runs good. Just like I say, sometimes getting the fuel prime takes longer than I think it should. Excellent running saw. If you want a small saw, that's the one to buy.